express in partial fractions. So first of all, we have to analyze the orders of the numerator and denominator. Order means the highest power of x. On the numerator, the highest power of x is 2, and on the denominator, if we multiply everything, we get also x squared. So this means we have an improper algebraic fractions, because if we want to use partial fractions decompositions, we have to make sure the power of x, the highest power of x in the numerator, should be smaller than the power of x in the denominator. So the first step here is not to use partial fractions decomposition. If we do this, we're gonna get something totally wrong. So the first step is to do the polynomial long division. We divide and we get the quotient 3, because 3 times 2x squared is 6x squared, 3 times minus x minus 3x, 3 times minus 1 minus 3, and then when we subtract, we have to cancel out. Minus 2 minus 3 is 1, and 2 minus 3 is 5. So now we use the mixed fraction, mixed number, like mixed number but in algebra. So this is the quotient, this is the remainder divided by the divisor. So now we can use the partial fractions decomposition for this proper algebraic fractions. So we use the form simple linear, so something over x minus 1, and also simple linear, something over 2x plus 1. We multiply both sides by the denominator, so we cancel out. On the left we have only the numerator. On the right, when we multiply, we cancel out. We have a times 2x plus 1, and we cancel out, we get b times x minus 1. Now we have to plug in some values of x to find the a and the b. So we can just use the 0 of the factors here. The 0 means the value of x, that makes this whole thing 0. So we can just solve 2x plus 1 equals 0. We get x equals minus 1/2. So if we plug in x equals minus 1/2, we replace x with minus 1/2, minus 1/2, minus 1/2. On the left we have minus 1/2 plus 5. On the right, this is 0. On the right we have minus 3 over 2b here. So use your calculator, you get 9 over 2, and then you divide both sides by minus 3 over 2, and you get the value of b. To find the value of a, we use the 0 of this x minus 1, so we use x equals 1. On the left we have 1 plus 5. On the right, this is 1 minus 1, 0, and we plug in 1 also for this x. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3, so 3a, so a is 2. We have the a and the b, so we replace everything, we get the final answer. Alright, I'll see you again next time.